please welcome.
Maybe tonight, one beer.
Yeah,
I don't drink much.
it's good. Until sometime I have friends come and then if I have over, I tell I know today I cannot drink.
Yeah.
If they tell me you,
She never hang over.
I will know.
Nah.
I have. Sometimes him come, him tell me, Patsy, you want a beer? I say no, today no. Because last night I'm too much.
Yeah.
I don't want to broke myself.
Every day he drink.
Yeah,
You too.
not every day.
Not every day.
Before him start this shop, him come to hang out with me sometime morning.
At your shop.
Yeah.
Oh.
4 o'clock in the morning, sometime 5 o'clock in the morning, talk together about business or blah blah blah.
Oh. Oh.
And next day, him send me message, how are you? I said, today I'm dying, I'm sorry. I cannot eat nothing all day.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Kind of playing with the idea every day. She makes something.
You eat already?
No, I want to eat.
Today she make my other one.
Okay.
Yeah. She busy, I think now.
You order already?
No. When she come, I order.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you know what she have for lunch today?
Fried vegetable.
What?
Fried vegetable.
Fried.
Same man,
Yeah.
but not spicy.
Hmm?
No spicy today.
Oh, good. I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free and you'll see all of my videos.
Made in Thailand.
Poor again, 10 poor I can do. I can.
You
I'm
can
not-
survive, huh?
Yeah. And now 27 years. I take care. For him alone. No one to support me or give me money.
More than I needed to know.
How do you support yourself?
First time I working in like a company,
You told me more than I needed to know.
and then my boss died, and after I have money a little bit to open like a small coffee shop,
I'm happy to hear everything. Like literally everything.
and
Everything. Oh.
after
Everything. I'll listen.
we close coffee shop. That time I not split with that guy. We come to open bar, and then open bar after he make bad to me.
I don't speak about it.
He
Yeah.
go,
Yeah, I don't.
and then that time in the Bangkok, like I have a problem, like a yellow shirt and red shirt something. They have problem like they closed Suvarnabhumi airport or something.
Oh.
And then Chiang Mai very quiet, no like a toilet, no. And then I close the bar. I give the bar back for owner. Him give me back money 30,000 baht. That I start my life. I go to Bangkok in Thania Road. It's have only like a Japanese club, but I not co-sell my body. I go be mama-san there, reception. About 6 months, I cannot stay because my job in Silom,
Yeah, you gotta take it
my apartment in Rashida.
after this weekend.
I cannot balance my money,
Oh.
you know. And I tell my boss,
This week will be
I
kind
don't
of
know.
hard, I'm sure.
I want to go back to Chiang Mai because
After that, then you go back.
Bangkok is expensive, too expensive for me. And I have one friend like a
she's a wild one.
friend, like a friend.
She can get
She
wild.
called me, where are you now, Pepsi? I tell I'm Bangkok. Come back to Chiang Rai because I open a Japanese restaurant near Vieng In Hotel. Now closed, no have nothing.
Oh.
Come to be manager to me because I want somebody to can speak Japanese language, talk with customer.
There's no point to it. I mean,
And then I come back.
Will you do before?
I
you
do
get to know someone, you have to have some
that job maybe 2 years,
pretty long time.
but I never see her keep my salary up, you know.
Oh.
We're gonna go a different
And then
way.
every time when we get salary,
Now
we go
only-
talk inside kitchen, you know. How much to this month? How much you get? How like that? But I see like young staff
Like that. And it-
have little bit salary up, but I stay for 2 years. I do everything, manager, take care, service, blah 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 blah, but never my
Okay.
salary up. You know, and then I go talk with her. Why you don't keep my salary up? She said you start expensive like that, but I said that no, because if you balance, I'm manager, but they come only 1 month, 2 months, they have a little bit up, 100, 200, but I stay 2 years, I never see 50 baht or 10 baht, you know. And next door, I see Japanese open like a second-hand bookshop. I check my bag and go to him.
Oh.
You want stuff? He know me because he know before my boyfriend, my husband, father of the son. Him asked me, sure? I said yes. I'm not joking. I need job. Say, if you want to come, can come tomorrow.
Yeah.
Huh? How much you give me? That time he give me 1 month 7,000 baht. I said okay, tomorrow I come.
You just bored in the other
Yes.
restaurant.
And I keep everything from the restaurant, key or something. I keep. I say thank you. And morning I go open the bookshop. Just sell the shop, sell the book. You know, clean. Just start 8 o'clock and finish 8 o'clock. 12 hours for me. And after maybe that Japanese have problem or something, him close the shop.
Oh.
Okay, it's okay.
Ah, so
And I
it's
go
like
work inside
shops down there also.
Oh yeah.
Department
all the way
store.
to the main street.
sell
You
shirt.
keep going all the way. You get to the big street.
And in the midnight, I come to
Yeah, it's like
this
some
road,
restaurants and some shops,
like a fire drink,
massage
a
places.
little bit for half time. I finish in the department store 8 o'clock, and I change the clothes, come to Alibi here.
This one, and then that way,
11 or
that way,
12 o'clock I
all
go
the
back
street,
because my son that time maybe 15, you know, him stay with me.
and all the ones that go on this side.
And after that department store not far from me, no
The one on the big street, I
customer,
don't think they do so much.
and now closed. And I come out, and then I come Alibi in bar, now no have. And then I have friend, she have boyfriend from Ireland, open guest house near the Cock Tower, but now
I mean,
he
I think the
finished.
one that's lady here, there's one of them.
Come to ask me, you want to come to work? Blah, blah, blah.
They do like 50-50. They'll do.
No, first go behind, be manager and behind in Chiang Rai Central. Start 5 o'clock at the 3 o'clock in the morning. And then that's my owner. She don't have money.
No.
She sell business for this island man. And then
Suddenly she was
Change the idea.
him tell from before boss like if I buy your business, I want to take Pepsi, work with me together. And then start to work with island man.
That's true. Sorry to interrupt.
Start that time 1 month 14,000.
Wow.
Yeah, but 8 o'clock in the morning, at the 8 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah.
She was just laughing.
No time off, no have time to eat.
I mean, you have to wonder.
I'm fighting with him every time. Him say bipolar. Some day him good, some day him not good like that.
It's a lot of
And I quit for 2 times. And that time I say you give, yes, I thank you for big salary, but I cannot to work with you anymore.
Yeah.
And I quit.
very good.
I quit and then I come to stay bar. Just
So you have a
not
future.
that time Monday 100 baht, but I get tip, get drink like that, blah 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 blah. And after
I mean it.
like I
Don't
have
say it because I listen to him, but
Don't
friend
listen to me. You don't listen.
support me, what you want to do something blah 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 like that. And then I start to do small business for me at now.
Good.
That's my life.
I think I might come back for dinner.
Yeah.
Massage stand or something.
Now I give her idea for to make a dinner.
Oh, you're gonna give her idea.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because she asked me what you wanna do, and I tell her don't make like the same menu.
Yeah.
Change if like a customer request, do again. And next time I tell her make spaghetti, but Chiang Rai
Shanghai style.
Chiang Rai sauce,
10 years later.
a little bit spicy, and use spaghetti
But not problem.
and do like a mixed Chiang Rai and half Europe like that.
Oh. Oh, we gotta try that.
Yeah.
And my friends are coming and they're going to drink all beer. It's his birthday for one.
Tomorrow lunch, I tell her make spaghetti.
Oh, okay. I hope I'm here.
Yeah.
Good to know. Actually, good to know. I get extra. Is they coming?
When do you go to work?
They're going to come right around that time.
No,
Get
when?
out of town that day. Just bring the
Fine.
beer in the cooler. Go out in the truck.
Today,
Drive around.
Yeah.
Fine.
Fine.
5:30.
5:30.
Yeah. I not stay not far from here.
Yeah, I know. You sit around the corner.
Yeah.
Sit outside of the balcony.
Maybe my son come first and him clean bar and do something, and then after I come out.
Oh, what about clothes?
Buy alcohol.
I know fix. If have customer like a friend come, we talk inside, and when they go, we close.
Oh.
If early time, if I look street, no one to walk about,
Some of them don't. But
not busy. I tell my son close early, 11:30.
11:30.
Yeah,
20 minutes outside town near the White Temple.
because sometimes we stay late. Sometimes it not safe body to do something tomorrow.
Nobody cares outside of town. They
So 11:30 at night, there's a lot of people.
But
No.
last night and
It's good, right? I like that soup.
last night and 2 nights ago, I don't think we
No,
stay.
not too much, huh?
Yeah, not too much.
Hmm.
Have tourists, but like a backpack.
No.
Young,
I could.
yeah, they not come out. They like just come to go look about Chiang Rai, go Nai Plaza, and then go sleep or buy something from 7-Eleven, bring on the road like that.
And where do they sleep?
She worked there
Oh.
at 9%.
Those people.
7 or 8.
Maybe guest house, maybe hotel. Or I
Oh.
don't.
Oh.
Because I know put lady inside my bar. Behind my bar, have many lady. If customer want lady, can call them come to sit with my customer,
Oh.
and you pay drink for her in the bar, and she can sit with you like a talk half hour, 1 hour or something.
Oh, yeah?
If you want to take her out, you go talk with the owner from her bar and pay bar for, and then go outside.
No.
Yeah, I don't put lady
Mm.
in my bar.
Gotta go to bar next door.
Yeah. They like a half lady, 4, 5 lady, I think. Maybe 4, 5, 3, 4, like that. But they can go outside, they can drink, they can like service customer.
Oh.
But I know have choice to put lady inside my bar. I don't want to lose my customer.
Lose.
If customer, I put lady in my bar and customer take my lady go out and she do something bad, customer not come back to me.
Yeah.
I don't like to broke my business too.
Understand. But most Thai ladies, they're not bad.
Yeah,
They're good, yeah.
I understand. Like they come because they need money to do that. I understand.
Yeah.
If they can find good man and can support, they about blah blah blah. They quit.
Yeah, yeah.
No one to like to do same like this business. I understand them. I never talk bad or something to them. I said, oh, now you're young, you can make money, you can take. After you old, you cannot do nothing. You want to do now, not wait. Because time cannot wait for you. Before I live in Japan, I've been there. I have not husband, be not married, like a boyfriend, and I have baby with him. I tell him I want to come back because I want to take my son come back to my country.
Oh, he's in Japan.
Yeah,
Boy.
boy.
Yeah, he's in Japan.
No, now we come stay together.
Oh. That's the one that work at the bar with you?
Yes,
Oh.
I have only one.
Oh, how old is he?
26 now.
Oh, he's a man.
Yeah, that's what
Before we come back here, maybe my son 1 year half, and then I split with him father. Him have new lady, like a young lady something. And I know after I give him back car, money, I give him back all. And I want to change my son come to me. Because if I don't do that, he want to take my son go back in Japan.
Yeah.
And I give him back everything.
Oh.
I tell him I have hand, I have leg. I can do by myself. Because first I stay with my parents not rich money.